Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Naithawk Corona version Zirc Haptic coin for a review, and we're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this guy. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. What is this? This is the Naithawk. I don't know the model, to be honest. I'm just gonna call it the Corona Haptic coin because PPB, I don't know. Maybe if you guys know how this translates, let me know in the comment down below. But this guy, anyways, comes with a nice box with some gasket area here. You see, like looks like this might be waterproof. I don't know. Nicely padded and pretty cool. Like to transport, to protect this Zirc Haptic coin. It's yeah, it's pretty brilliant indeed. And what is this? This is a haptic coin. It's made in zirconium by Naithawk. And you can also check my other review about the war theme. That's going to be in titanium. And same thing. It's a haptic coin. And haptic coin is something that you can open up like that, and you can discover that there's a set of roller bearings and a set of 6 magnets per side. On one side right here you see the logo, and so the roller bearings are gonna allow these 2 discs to rotate on top of each other, and the magnets, of course, are gonna keep them attracted to each other, so they kind of like stay there, stay in place. Also, you see that this is zirconium, beautifully milled out. Look at that. Beside the corona virus theme, but the milling, guys, is impressive. There's some work that went on, like in the chamfers on the sides on this viral theme. Like, look at these Tritz vials slots, like really tiny. And overall, the coin looks pretty simple. It's nicely symmetrical. It's elaborated at the same time, quite elaborate at the same time, because a lot of milling went on, like in creating this pattern over here. But also at the same time, really simple to like the design, because these are just 2 pieces, some magnets and roller bearings. But the look is really simple, really cool at the same time. The sound this guy makes. Yeah, this is a loud coin, guys. This is probably as loud. Yeah. No, it's almost as loud as this. This is probably the loudest one, except for this one. But this one probably has the most clappy sound. Like, it's like a clap. And it's pleasant. It's really beautiful. One of my favorite coins, because of the grippiness, because of the look, and because of the sound. So for me, it's a check. It's a triple check for the things that I'm looking into a toy or in a knife. Like, it checks them all. Diameter 1.57 inches, and let's just quickly check the thickness, 0.29. So it's not that big. I mean, let's just quickly check, for example, up against, this is the Black Mirror telephone dial. What else do we have? Amburi coin. This is the Super Haptic. That's the, let's say, the big size, the full size. That is the medium size, also from Amburi. That's the stipple pattern. That is the NJT hand power. That's kind of like the milk bottle cap with some grooves. Really nice one indeed. You've got Muji capsule spinner here, just to give you an idea of the size. Also here you have Lauti, that's the SEM spinner, and just give you another couple here. Gamer from ACDC, that's the slider, sorry. Gaiwan from Muji, that's another pretty cool spinner. And what else can I show you? Just a couple options from Lauti, because they're pretty popular. That's the Pair of Kings shuffle, and also, why not, EDC long bulletproof shield in the house, so you have an idea of the size of this one. So, I mean, really, really cool size. Sounds amazing. You can have this guy pop like crazily annoying. Like, you can annoy everyone. But you can also decide not to be annoying and just have this guy just spin in your hand, like with your hands, but without producing any loud noise, just by controlling like that, just applying a little bit more pressure instead of doing this, which is gonna allow the coin to open. Let me see if I can show it to you. See, it opens and then collapse. You just keep it down, so like this. So it's gonna spin and it's not gonna be loud. So you can actually decide how loud this guy is going to be, and that's crazy. It's fantastic for me. You can take this in every place and you can use it and nobody's going to know. So that's also good. And the tactile feel, it's fantastic. Lots of grip. It's never gonna slide or slip. It's gonna stay in your hand. So for me, again, this is a check. Looks good, sounds fabulous, and feels great. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.